I'm Mike Wolf, and I've been picking for years now. And I've got to tell you, finding that rare Indian motorcycle in the barn is what drives me to pick every day. But I've never been able to witness history in the making. Today, we're going to do that together. You're about to actually hear the sound of the all-new engine that's going to power the next generation of Indian motorcycles. They've been working hard to give the next bike a brand new heartbeat. Now, it's your turn to listen. Here we go. How cool is that? You just heard an all-new motor, and soon it's going to be put into an all-new bike. And you can carry the sound with you if you download the new Indian mobile app. We believe the Indian's greatest history is yet to come. I'll see you on the back roads.